Why is my computer so slow? Your computer has resources that should be managed properly, like memory, drive space, and etc. And a slowing computer would not just give you a headache, but also give your work a ton of hassle. Luckily, after watching this video, you will discover more about how you could speed it up. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, when your hard drive's memory is full, it slows down your computer because it doesn't have enough free space to work properly. So, try cleaning up some space on your hard drive. Actually, files build up in the recycle bin as you use your computer. So double-click the recycle bin icon on your desktop, right-click, and select Empty Recycle Bin. Also, the cache and cookies build up as you browse the web, so clear them also often. Then programs that you don't need would take space and would slow down your computer, so it's better to remove them. Open the control panel, then click Uninstall a program. And if too many programs are running, it could slow down your computer. Instead, you can disable background programs by pressing Ctrl, Alt, Delete. Opening the Task Manager, then close the programs by clicking End Task at the bottom right. Also, viruses could slow down your computer if it's infected, so make sure you periodically run scans to find viruses that could be eating up your computer's resources. Then if you've been using your computer for a while, you could have built up files that might be slowing your computer. Then by reinstalling Windows, all its settings would reset to default, which should make your computer a lot faster. You've just discovered an amazing guide to speed up your slowing computer. And now, click this, and let's see the next amazing topic.